In a world dominated by impacted earwax, your local hearing healthcare provider gets to be the hero of this story. Welcome back to You Heard It Here with Dr. Gary. Today, we're going to be looking at 3 different wax extractions. In all 3 cases, patients are suffering from hearing loss, fullness in the ears, and general discomfort. We're going to use those alligator forceps to remove this first one in a large chunk. There's a view of the eardrum after removal. If you enjoy these videos, please like and subscribe. We'll continue to bring earwax removal videos as well as other videos associated with your ears and hearing. Look out for videos regarding the link between diabetes and hearing loss. We're going to work on this next patient here. We're removing the wax, trying to get it to come out in a large chunk. The bigger the piece that comes out, the more satisfying the removal. As we're getting everything to move towards the opening of the ear canal, let's see what we get out. Come on, keep going. At this point, the patients reported significant improvement in hearing and less fullness in the ears. Look at that massive chunk. And here it comes, all the way out of the ear. It's almost the full shape of the ear canal. Beautiful eardrum after the removal's been completed. Look at that. It's cylindrical in shape. That is close to the size of the entire ear canal. This patient's other ear was not quite as bad, but still causing the same oral fullness and reduced hearing. As we remove this, you'll see, even though it's a complete impaction that we can't see the eardrum, it doesn't go nearly as deep. Let's get this all rolled out of the ear, like the proverbial boulder rolling down a hill. There we go. Let's take a look in the ear here. Again, if you like these videos regarding earwax removals and other ear-related stuff, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. You heard it here with Dr. Gary.